play, wait, where's this?
Here.
Doors. This is doors now.
Flash.
But doors too. Let's go.
Okay, it's okay.
Doors too. Let's go. Let's go.
I can't breathe.
Let's go.
We're playing
Let's
doors
go.
right now. Doors too.
Doors
This is
too.
after we beated figure.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh my gosh. This has became true. I waited for so long.
Ain't no way we got this before GTA 6.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm getting excited. Come on.
I thought this was just a fake. Then I looked at who created it. Then it was the same. Oh, this looks like just the original game.
Yeah.
But you are way taller than me. Oh, wait, you're floating? Oh, wait, nah. I'm taller than you now.
Let's
Wait.
go.
This is
The hotel.
But, oh, it restarted. Fine. Fine. We're gonna beat it. Fine.
My gosh. Hell yeah. Let's go.
Wait, new rooms?
Of course.
Damn.
I know this room.
Yeah, nothing changed. Oh. Oh, bigger rooms, I think. Yes?
Oh,
I think this is bigger rooms.
yeah.
They just added bigger rooms.
Wait lang. Added ko ng fine pala hindi tayo alam.
Yes. No rush yet, which is good.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, it's not locked.
Wait, coins. Ah, thank God, coins. Wait,
Yo.
wait. Kuha tayo coins.
No.
Kuha tayo coins. Coins, let's go. Wait.
What is this new room? Wait, Caleb, before you open it, let's go check this new room.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, this is new rooms. Oh my god!
Oh my God.
Again, in the other room.
Wait, let me see. Please. Wow, another room? And another coins too? Oh my God!
What?
Oh, it's just a bed. Bayan.
Bruh. It's me. I thought Rush was coming, or maybe you got lighter or something.
No, I thought it's a impala kuno entity ng impala stalker. Impala
You also got the heart thingy?
thingy.
Yeah, I saw.
Just no rush. Okay, then. Huh?
No rush. Okay,
Oh, I
this
know.
level again.
Oh, I found it.
Again?
Oh no, you made a key.
Okay, let's find the key there.
Yeah.
Epic gaming.
Yeah.
Let's find the key. Okay, fine. Goodbye, chest.
Okay. Goodbye, chess. Anyways. Hey, what about me? Please
You
don't.
were late.
Yes, I'm late.
Do not open it yet. Let's open it at the same time because we might get surprised by Rush. After all, we're still newbies.
Yeah.
We haven't even completed door 1. Ah, wait. We haven't even completed doors chapter 1.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
It's so hard.
Go.
Dati pa lang.
Prepare yourself. Oh. What? Rush.
Uy, ayan na.
Yep.
Oh, let's go.
What is this? What? What happened? What was that?
Ingento mo click.
Yes, I know, but that was hard.
my gosh, that's annoying.
That's gonna be so annoying. Wait,
Oh, it's-
we've gone through here. Wait, we did the wrong way.
Wait, saan? Sa baba o sa
Yeah,
itas?
baba.
Oh, wait. Oh! Ano ba yan?
Stupid. Stay here at the light. No,
Oh,
that was
lighter.
mine. I opened it. Ah, fine.
Okay.
That was mine.
Keys?
Caleb, don't waste the lighter.
Hindi, ng keys.
Wait, here. Here. I found the door.
Hmm.
What is this? Ice?
Oh,
Ice.
we made the lighter.
Oh my god, so bright.
Ah, wala na. No! No! Bro! Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
Wait, lighter. Why did you do it? I
Oh.
told you not to open. Okay, wait.
Oh my gosh! Thank you a bunch of coins. It will be useful.
What?
Look, I'm recording this.
Okay. Okay. We're not scared.
That's weird.
Bruh.
You're hiding.
I accidentally clicked. It's sad I'm not recording, but you can upload it.
Yeah.
By the way, my
coins.
name is the Blue Creator. Caleb's,
Rectangle
Yeah.
Hindi. Melon tangle creator.
yeah,
Melon tangle creator.
please support us on YouTube. We really need it.
Yeah.
Bruh, stop hiding!
If you're new here,
Please
if y-
subscribe.
yeah. Oh, ano ba yan? Keys dito pala.
What?
Oh, the
Wrong.
Oh my god, it jump scared me.
You scared me.
Oh my god, I don't like that.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Lighter. Oh. Where?
Wait. Rush.
Mine! Bro!
Sorry.
Nah, I think we got pranked.
What? One of you. Oh,
What?
hello, it's you.
Yo, Caleb!
You died to hide.
Oh, bruh.
How? What? How did I do? What did I do?
Caleb, look at how you...
Bruh. Aww.
Watch me.
Okay.
Meme.
Bruh. Buddy system. Everything's better with friends. Play around with a friend. Oh, I like this. But okay, I'm gonna watch you. Don't die.
I'll try.
No, this game is harder now.
Thanks for stealing that. If you didn't steal that, I would have died. Tell me if you see a lights flicker or you see screech. I found bandage.
Yeah, you will cure yourself.
It's sad we don't have Robux.
Yeah, me too.
I have, but I already spent it all.
Bruh.
Or this. Try to look, Caleb, with me, circle around.
Okay.
Single coin, really? guiding light, please. There's no cabinet there. What? So sad. I didn't die.
Yeah, me too.
Where's this key?
Yeah, me too. Maybe you haven't checked the other rooms yet.
I checked. Look, the doors are open.
Yeah, but that door. What about that door?
Oh, there, it's glowing. Thanks, guiding light. Did the light flicker?
No.
Oh no. Do you remember?
The rain.
No, 25 or 26. Which door?
Oh no. Oh no. Ah, thank God. 26. Okay, 26, 27. Oh, light figure.
Oh no.
Do that ng ganito. Ganito. You failed.
I'm sorry.
Bro. But I like that texture ng ganito. You like it?
Anyways, that was our playthrough on Doors.
Yeah.
Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and don't forget our channels.
Yeah. Or I